Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. The NuGeriAZ Kids Capes and Mask for Kids Double-Edged Halloween Costumes for Boys. This product is not just any ordinary cape and mask set, it is the best Green Lantern costume kits available in the market. With its double-sided design and high-quality materials, this superhero cape is guaranteed to bring joy and excitement to any child who wears it. The superhero cape features a double-sided design, allowing children to play as different superheroes on the front and DIY their own cape on the reverse side. The capes are made of 100% polyester fabric, ensuring a comfortable and durable experience for the kids. One of the advantages of this cape is the variety it offers in superhero dressing options. Each cloak comes with 2 different hero designs, allowing children to switch between their favorite superheroes with ease. The cape is suitable for boys and girls aged 4 to 12 years, with a size of 27.5 by 27.5 inches. The Velcro seals make it easy for children to wear and take off the cape, promoting independence and creativity. This superhero cape is perfect for Halloween, Christmas gifts, superhero parties, role-playing, birthday parties, and more. It stimulates imagination and creativity in children, allowing them to explore their superhero alter egos and engage in fun role-playing games. In conclusion, the NuGeriAZ Kids Capes and Mask for Kids is a must-have for any child who loves superheroes. With its high-quality materials, double-sided design, and endless possibilities for play, this cape is sure to bring hours of entertainment and joy to any child. Don't miss out on the best Green Lantern costume kits. Get yours today. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.